SEO is a great skill to have, especially with AI coming in. And in this video, I will help you how you can learn SEO fast and for free. So let's get started. Learning by watching videos is arguably one of the best passive learning ways that you can implement to learn SEO. And luckily, SEOs like me are very keen to provide highly educational, slightly entertaining SEO videos that you can watch. And studies have shown that video-based learning offers a range of benefits for learners of all ages and abilities. With that, here are some of my favorite SEO YouTube channels from which you can learn SEO. The first one is Ahrefs, which is a popular SEO tool provider that also has a YouTube channel with a wealth of SEO knowledge. Their videos cover topics such as keyword research, link building, and content marketing, and often include case studies and practical tips. The next one is Neil Patel, who is a well-known digital marketer and entrepreneur who shares his insights on his YouTube channel. His videos cover a range of topics including SEO, content marketing, and social media marketing, and often include practical tips and strategies. The next one is Matt Diggity, who is an SEO expert and founder of the popular SEO blog Diggity Marketing. His YouTube channel covers a range of topics related to SEO and affiliate marketing, and often include case studies and practical tips. And the last one is Income School, which is a YouTube channel run by Ricky and Nathan, two online entrepreneurs who share their knowledge and experience on a range of topics, including SEO, affiliate marketing, and niche site building. Their videos are often geared towards beginners and include practical tips and strategies. These YouTube channels offer a wealth of SEO knowledge and can be a great resource for anyone looking to improve their SEO skills and knowledge. The second way to learn SEO is by reading blog posts. While videos may be a popular choice for learning due to their ease and visual appeal, reading SEO blogs can be a highly effective way to passively gain knowledge about SEO. In fact, there are significantly more blog posts available on the topic of SEO compared to videos. These blog posts cover a wide range of SEO topics, from basic to advanced, and provide a comprehensive understanding of the subject. And while there are many SEO related videos on platforms such as YouTube, they often lack the depth and detail found in the blog post. With that, I recommend following SEO blogs to stay up to date with the latest SEO trends and get the most actionable SEO knowledge. Here are some of my favorite SEO blogs. The first one is Search Engine Journal, which is a popular blog that covers all aspects of SEO, including technical SEO, content marketing, and social media marketing. It also provides news and updates on Google algorithm changes and other industry trends. Another one is SEO Ranking, which is a blog that covers a range of topics related to SEO and digital marketing. It provides insights and tips on keyword research, competitor analysis, and link building strategies, among other things. Another one is Holistic SEO, which is a blog that focuses on more holistic approach to SEO, taking into account factors such as user experience, semantic SEO, coding, website structure, and content quality. It provides practical tips and strategies for optimizing websites for search engines while also creating a positive user experience. And the last one is B2B Digital Marketers, which focuses on SEO strategies and tactics that are relevant for B2B digital marketing. It covers topics such as SEO, content marketing, lead generation, social media marketing, and much more. And before we jump to the next way, please like this video, because with your help I can produce better quality videos and provide even more value, and I really appreciate your help. The next way how to learn SEO is by doing it. One of the biggest benefits of learning SEO is that you can actually start doing it on your own with very little capital investment, as you can just set up your own website. With that, here's a quick step-by-step tutorial on how to learn SEO by doing it. First, select your niche. I recommend you select a niche that you are passionate and you have at least a decent knowledge about. Definitely do not go into SEO niche, as it is highly competitive and it can take years to succeed. Instead, select an easy niche. Second, set up your website. Purchase your hosting and domain. You can try Hostinger and get 20% off using my link in the description. And then install WordPress with some easy to use WordPress themes such as Elementor, GeneratePress, or Divi. After that, conduct keyword research. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or SEO Ranking to identify relevant keywords for your website. This will help you understand how people search for content related to your niche or industry. Then you can start creating SEO content. Create relevant content to your niche on your website and implement on-page SEO techniques such as meta tags, header tags, and internal linking. This will make your website more search engine friendly and improve your chances of ranking higher in search results. Then you can build high quality backlinks to your content. Work on building high quality and niche relevant backlinks and contextual backlinks from relevant websites in your niche. This will improve your website authority and increase its visibility in search results. And lastly, analyze your results. Use tools like Google Analytics, Google Search Console, and Microsoft Clarity to track your website performance and identify areas that need improvement. This will help you refine your SEO strategy and achieve better results over time. Your goal should be to achieve at least 10,000 organic traffic. By doing that, you will learn SEO using the ways I have and will mention and apply them to your website. The next way to learn SEO is by being part of a community. Being part of a community is a great way to learn SEO and stay up to date with the latest trends and strategies. And there are many different ways how you can become a part of SEO community, such as join online SEO communities. Joining SEO communities and groups on LinkedIn and Facebook can help you connect with more skillful professionals that can help you with your challenges and navigate you the right way, as well as you can brainstorm together. Attend SEO conferences. The best place where you can meet a lot of people from SEO industry, network, and get a ton of value as well as have fun is by attending SEO conferences. Or you can join local SEO groups. As the saying goes, two heads know more than one. Joining local SEO groups will help you to expand your knowledge with like-minded people in your area, brainstorm ideas, and solve problems together. Definitely a great way to learn and grow your SEO knowledge. And lastly, you can participate in online forums. Participating in online forums such as Reddit, Quora, Moz Q&A, Google Webmaster Help Forum, and Warrior Forum can help answer your questions and learn from other professionals in the industry, as well as share your own knowledge. And the last way that I want to mention how to learn SEO is by reading books. The good old way of learning anything including SEO is by actually reading SEO books. As I show you, nowadays anybody can publish information on the internet, making it a clutter space full of junk without any real value or experience within. One of the biggest problems with learning SEO from blog posts and videos is that they are missing the structured way that will help you to navigate from A to Z to learn SEO effectively. Whereas SEO books are written by SEO experts with many years of experience and are well structured to take you from SEO basics to advanced SEO topics and give you a clear pathway to navigate through them. After that, it's much easier to then learn from online sources, as you will have a good general knowledge of SEO and you can now pick the topics that interest you the most or where you want to improve. With that, here's a list of SEO books that I would like to recommend you. The first one is Product-Led SEO. The second one is The Art of SEO. The third one is SEO for Growth. And the last one is Ultimate Guide to Link Building. How to build backlinks, authority, and credibility for your website. And that's all from me. So, if you are ready to learn SEO, I recommend you to watch my video right here on SEO strategy, as it will guide you step by step how to create effective SEO strategy and implement SEO best practices. Also, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel because without your help, I can't make it work. Ciao!